Everyone thinks that Nano Banana is just some toy to make weird pictures of your dog, kind of like this one. But recently, I went to an e-commerce event in Austin, Texas, with a bunch of 9-figure Amazon sellers. That's hundreds of millions of dollars being made by these brilliant entrepreneurs. And they are using this silly tool to make real money every single day. And to be honest, they might be annoyed at me for what I'm about to show you. So keep watching, and I'm going to leak some of the secrets that I learned while hanging out with them so that you can exploit Nano Banana for profit. My head of growth, Nick, dug through some of the wildest real-life examples on the internet, making millions of dollars right now. So you can see exactly how they all pull it off. And when you stick around to the end, I have a bonus traffic recipe. So if you would like to get website traffic to your business using Nano Banana, well, we're going to show you how to plug it straight into your business and get that traffic. Quick disclaimer here. I'm going to show you on this video real strategies and some wild examples, but your results will absolutely vary. Nothing here I'm about to show you is guaranteed income. It's not financial advice. And if you expect to push a button and become a millionaire, well, you're going to be very disappointed and probably very broke. With all that out of the way, let's dive in. As you see on the screen, we're going to be talking about how to make money with Nano Banana in 4 psycho ways, all starting from zero. Okay. Of course, this is brought to you by me. I'm Bill Mcintosh. And over the last 20 plus years, I've been able to generate over 100 million bucks online. So I've got a bit of experience doing this. And this is all through the lens of what I've been able to discover and accomplish over all the years so I can help you. So Nano Banana, if you are not familiar, Nano Banana is a really cool AI image editing tool. And you can use it to do all kinds of silly things like the example you see right over there. That's Roxy, by the way. She's one of my assistants. She doesn't really like cigars and she doesn't wear sunglasses. Here's another shot that we were just having fun. Everyone thinks that's what Nano Banana is really about. Just it's a toy to make weird pictures. At this e-commerce event that I was at, it was in Austin, Texas, and there were some huge movers and shakers with enormous brands. And I was shocked how many of them are using Nano Banana throughout their businesses. Some of them are selling physical products on their own sites. Some of them are selling on Amazon, and even some of them that are selling digital and virtual products. They're using this really silly tool to make millions upon millions of dollars. So we're going to go through a little bit of what I learned from them and some other really great examples of how you can plug into this to generate money. And then our bonus strategy is all about generating traffic. So we're going to count them down, starting with Nano Banana Moneymaker number 4. So this one is pretty cool. It goes hand in hand with our very own Build the AI platform. Is you can use Nano Banana or tools like it to build an AI image app. And you might not know that at Build the AI, you can make an app that lets people like transform and edit their photos. Did you know that? And here's an example. Here's somebody who made a little app using like vibe coding tools, and then he made $458,000 from a very simple image making app that just taps into the power of Nano Banana. And as you can see here, and by the way, this deck is available to you for free. There'll be more details about that in the description and comments below. But if you want to go check out the case study, here is the source for that. You can go read all about his results. And as usual, even though he made $450,000 in 164 days, by no means am I trying to say that you will get the same results. You might do more, you might do none. It varies. So he created an app called Glam AI, and it's actually a beauty app. It clears up blemishes and shows them how they look in different kinds of makeup, things like that. Very easy app to make, incredibly easy to do. You could build something like this on Build the AI, for example. So there's an example of what it shows. Nick, I'm going to add you in for a moment. You can verify this. You use an app kind of like this one in our business every week, right?
I am, yeah. It saved me a ton of time. I fired one of my vendors. It replaced one of my vendors, actually. And
yeah, so it's really saving
awesome.
us hundreds of dollars a week. And
we're paying $60 a month for it. So the Nano Banana wrapper.
And it's part of a key strategy that he's doing to get traffic. Stay tuned. We'll tell you more about what the app is he's using. I would like to know, would you like a full tutorial? You want me to vibe code? I could go into Build the AI and I can show you step by step how to make an app like this. If you'd like that, definitely comment below. If you'd like to make a Nano Banana image editing or image creation app, let me know. Vote in the comments below. And it's by popularity of what you request in the comments is what determines what we'll cover next on the channel. Counting down to Nano Banana Moneymaker number 3. This is to make Facebook image ads. Now, in Facebook image ads, And these are not limited to Facebook, by the way. Paid advertising has been by far the most predictable way for me to grow my businesses over the years. And a lot of people get a little bit intimidated, a little bit afraid of doing paid advertising. And I know it can be challenging with Facebook and trying to please them and all their rules and their policies and trying to get good results. And then the user interface can be confusing. I get it, but it's actually simpler than you might think. And when you have good, what's called creatives, you can produce not just a lot of money, but a ton of traffic using Facebook ads. While I was in Austin, hanging out with all those 9-figure people, they are using Nano Banana to make ads, and that's how they're getting tons of traffic and sales to their business. Here's just an example, right? So here's an example, little case study. Again, we have a link to this in the deck. But here's somebody here using Nano Banana to make selfie style shots. They also call this UGC, or user-generated content type ads. So all they did is upload their product, and then boom, they have what looks like a real customer holding up and showing off the product. They just took the product, gave a description, and boom, they have a high quality ad. Now, if you think about this, an ad like this one would have cost a beauty brand potentially tens of thousands of dollars to make in the past. Usually only the multi-million international brands would spend that kind of money to produce an ad of this quality. And this now puts it in the hands of anyone, of any kind of product. And this doesn't just apply to cosmetics, it's any kind of physical product that you want to demonstrate or show off. Or I've even seen some really clever ways of people doing box shots and other photos to sell virtual digital products like this as well. And again, you can make these ads inside Buildy. This is a secret hidden feature that we have just released in beta, where you can actually make your own ads for your brand, whether it is a physical product like the one you see here, a digital product, or any kind of product. Buildy AI now makes your ads for you, and it can even post them to Facebook. So if you're scared of Facebook, you're a little intimidated by all the choices and options there, well, Buildy AI now makes not just making your ads, writing your copy, creating your images, and posting them to the Facebook ads drop dead simple. This is a new beta feature. So every project that is built in Buildy AI, if you are on a paid plan, will now have access to this. Temporarily, I'm making it free for all paid plan users. There will be additional charges in the future, but for now it's in beta and I'm giving it away free so you can go in and test it out. You must be on a paid plan though, in order to use our ad feature. So if you'd like to be able to make ads in Buildy, just sign up for any paid plan at buildy.ai and you can check it out while it's in beta. Nano Banana Moneymaker number 2. This is YouTube thumbnails. So not everyone here might be using YouTube to get traffic today, but you should be. I can tell you as someone who is using YouTube myself, YouTube is a powerhouse of getting traffic. And I know some people have all kinds of worries of like, well, I'm too old, I'm too young, I don't feel comfortable on camera. And you don't have to be on camera, and anyone can win on YouTube. I would like to encourage you to start your YouTube journey. It does take a consistent, steady approach, so you need the time and patience to keep at it, but YouTube can be an absolute gold mine if you stick with it. Now, we're going to use it to make our thumbnails. This is one of the hardest parts, believe it or not, is coming up with a good thumbnail, because you need a lot of people clicking on your video or YouTube will never show it. The algorithm will suppress it and you will not get views and you will not get traffic or money. So you need a killer thumbnail in order to get clicks so that the algorithm will pick it up. That's one of several parts of being successful, but it all starts with a great thumbnail. And I know we have had outsourcers and vendors that cost us a lot of money. We spent a significant amount of money on thumbnail designers every week here on our channel. And now, not anymore. We just use an AI tool. All he did was like scribble on a picture and like copy and paste here. And then boom, professional quality YouTube thumbnail. Here's another one, all made with Nano Banana. Look at that. He just sketched it on a piece of paper and then Nano Banana made it. And so we actually use a tool called Thumbio. So as you can see here, Thumio. So we use Thumbio to make our last few thumbnails. It's an inexpensive product. This is what producer Nick, or our head of growth, he uses this on our every single week. How hard is that tool to use?
Oh, it's so easy. If you thought using Nano Banana like natively in Gemini was easy, this tool makes it even easier. We're not even affiliates or anything. I just like the tool. I'm just a fan. You can pay $20 a month for it. I'm on the $60 a month plan just because I use it so much. But this is an example of something I'm paying for it. I'm paying $60 a month to use this wrapper. All I did was basically wrap a nice user interface around Nano Banana, and I'm paying money for it.
It's like a specialized use case. It's made easy to use, so it's worth paying the money. We're thinking about reaching out to the founders of Thumbio, see if they might want to come on and do an interview. If you'd be interested in hearing from them about not just their product and how to make great thumbnails for YouTube, but you also can learn maybe a little bit about their journey as entrepreneurs on how they built the app, launched it, and became successful. So if that's something you would like to see, vote in the comments below. We'll send it to them and tell them to come and do an interview with us here on the show. Alert, we do have a bonus coming up. So we have a bonus strategy I will be teaching that is going to show you how to get traffic with Nano Banana. So more on that in a moment, but we're counting down to number 1. Nano Banana Moneymaker number 1 is to create professional AI video ads. So I know Nano Banana is an image maker, right? And you might also be thinking, well, aren't all the silly AI videos, isn't that a bunch of AI slop that isn't going to make anybody any money? And I can tell you that these videos make a ton of money. Here's an example of one here.
The future is not some place we're going to, but one we're creating. Every decision is a bet on which universe becomes real.
Bitcoin. I would never trust this.
The future of internet markets is a place where you can capitalize on any outcome, any prediction, from anywhere in the world. The greatest fortunes weren't built on certainty.
Good afternoon.
So that is an example of what can be done with this tool.
This guy on X, you should follow him, by the way. His name is Beechin Hour. He talks all about how to make really awesome AI videos, and he makes AI ads for people like that for a living. That one was for a company called Polymarket, which is worth billions of dollars. He doesn't say what they paid him for it, but I'll bet you it was a lot of money. If you're a company like Polymarket, you probably have a really big ad budget. And he used Nano Banana. What he did, he combined Nano Banana, which makes the images, like the first frame of a clip. Then he brought it into a tool called VO3, which turns those clips into videos. And he used that to make all of the cool, flashy AI clips you saw in that video.
Yeah, and I want to point out for anybody who hasn't used either of those tools, they're very easy to use. Nano Banana is really simple to use. You just talk to it, and then you can literally copy and paste to put it into VO3, and then VO3 then is also really easy to use. It is not hard to make high quality content using these AI tools. It really isn't.
But if you want to see how to make similar ads, you want to see the workflow, let us know if you want us to do a video on how to do that. Please say yes, because I'd love to work on that. I have a lot of fun making AI videos.
So just copy, paste, and you've got a video. That's the essence of it.
Another example, that's an agency where all they do is what we just showed you. So they make these AI ads for people. Some of their clients are Kalshi, which is another, I think they're a unicorn. I think they're worth billions of dollars now. Big company. I believe they worked with Oracle, DC Popeyes. This is like a legit, huge, probably 8 figures marketing agency built off of making these like AI ads. You could make some legitimately cool stuff. Like, look at that. I don't think that's slop. I think that's cool.
This is Oracle. This is Oracle, an enormous company, all made with AI. And one of the things that I really want the audience, everyone watching this, I want you to realize is what you see on the screen there, you can make this. Like the same quality that you see being made right there, you can do this with just these simple tools. There's a few ways to use this to make money. You could be an agency just like them. Why not make high quality ads like this that are worth, traditionally ads of this like this were tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars, even 7 figures to make. You can now make them for $20. So imagine what you could do for a local business, making really standout killer ads. If it maybe costs you $10 to $20 to make it, and you're selling it for $200 or $500 or $1,000. Can anybody guess what that agency we just showed you? What do you think they're charging for these AI ads? Anybody guess? $30,000. $30,000.
He says more. Dude, charge way more than $30K for AI videos. There's a market. And that's PJ Ace. He is the guy who runs that agency that we were just showing you.
This is a different agency, right? This other one here, just saying they charge up to $30,000 per video.
Yeah, this is interesting. You don't know about Y Combinator. It's kind of like an elite college for startups, basically. Usually it's for software, but they got in. So they're an agency that makes these ads, Super Bowl quality video ads. So they make these ads for people charging $30K a pop. They got the Y Combinator with this agency where people are willing to pay huge, disproportionate amounts of money for this stuff. It's so easy to make for the amount of money you can charge. It's nuts.
You swing.
Here is our bonus. So before we get into the bonus on how you're going to get traffic using Nano Banana, I do want to remind you that you can download this deck, the one that you see right over there. It's yours. It's our gift to you. It's free. All we ask is that you be a subscriber to our newsletter. And you can go to pushbutton.ai/subscribe, and everyone who joins will get a copy of this deck. All right, so moneymaker bonus. Flood your business with organic TikTok traffic. And when we say organic, that means free. So follow what we're about to show you, and you can get free traffic to your business using TikTok combined with Nano Banana. So we're going to make content for TikTok that can get you and your business in front of millions of eyeballs. And we're going to use the slideshow format. And I know, Nick, you're a huge fan of this format. You've been trying to get me to use it for a while. I keep being resistant, but I need to do it because it makes money. It really does. So here is Matt Welter on X, and he's showing his accounts or other accounts that are getting millions of views with these TikTok slideshows. Millions and millions of eyeballs on these brands. And they're not just silly stuff. They're promoting businesses and promoting products. And so here is a tweet that goes into how to create viral AI slideshows to promote your startup. This is what they're already doing, what's working. Nick, do you want to talk a little bit about how this process works?
So I'm using a tool called Real Farm to make these. You don't have to use Real Farm if you don't want to. You can technically just go to Nano Banana and do this yourself, but it saves you a lot of time. But inside of Real Farm, one of the things they have this big library of popular TikTok slideshows. You can get an idea, you can get some inspiration, a swipe file full of these so you can see what I'm talking about.
And then as far as the strategy to make them, you just go out and look at what's already working. Find competitors that sell to the same audience that you're trying to get in front of, and go look at what they're doing that is getting tons of views. Look at their slideshows, and then use Nano Banana to make your own. And again, I'm not saying you're going to steal their photos. Don't do that. That would be bad. But you're going to use their photos to stir ideas so that you can make something similar. And it's incredibly easy to do. This whole process that we're describing here just takes minutes to do. It's really simple to do. Links to these, the step-by-step instructions, link to the Twitter accounts that teach you how to do it. It's all included in the deck when you become a free subscriber. Make carousel or slideshow style content, post it on TikTok. You can do these on Instagram too, right, Nick? I think TikTok has a little bit better odds of getting traffic as a new account, but you can do them also on Instagram. And so I do want to remind you that our very own Buildy AI software system can build you your own image editing app, along with all kinds of other things. And so a little plug for Buildy.ai. And I want to encourage you to go to Buildy.ai/quiz. That's Buildy.ai/quiz. Head there now. Just talk to the quiz, answer the questions, and you come out with a full-blown business at the other side. And with Buildy, it coaches you through what to launch, what niche you should go into if you're not sure. If you already have an idea and you already know what you want your business to be, you describe it to Buildy. It builds it. It creates your website. It can build apps. If you want to make an app and launch it as a business, it will build it for you. You want a store? It will build it for you. You want a sales funnel that sells ebooks or digital products? It'll build it for you. And then not only that, it can give you agents to do your customer service, agents that call people on the phone and do your sales and help you land your leads. Buildy AI can even make your ads, help you post them to Facebook, and get your first customers coming in the door, all under one roof. It's quite amazing. So go to Buildy.ai/quiz to see it for yourself. This afternoon or by tomorrow, your business can be launched, deployed, and getting its first customers coming in the door using the Buildy AI platform. So again, go to Buildy.ai/quiz. And I do want to ask you, if you got value from this video, you're going to definitely want to subscribe, because we got more coming all the time. Every week, there are multiple videos dropping about different tactics of using AI, different strategies to get traffic, different ways to start or grow a business. It's coming at you all the time right here on the channel. So give it a subscribe. And if you got value, again, do a thumbs up as well. Give us smash that like button. And of course, make sure you comment below on what you would like us to cover next. So vote if you want a deep dive on Nano Banana, on making ads for Facebook, making apps, if you want a deep dive on that. Whatever it is you would like us to cover, vote in the comments below. And it is purely by the popularity, and your vote is what determines what we teach you next here on the channel. And on that note, I want to thank Nick for helping me with today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.